Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope everybody is doing good. Yes. So, what we are going to do today? Till yesterday, we have completed our lesson number 7 in book and in our copy also. Everything was completed. And I hope you have solved the multiple choice questions also yesterday that I have given to you. Yes. So, today, what we are going to do? We are going to start a new chapter of our EVS. And what's the name of the lesson? The name of the lesson is chapter number 8, Directions. What is the name of the chapter? Chapter number 8, Directions. So, by hearing the word directions, what do you understand? What do you come to know about direction? Do you know anything about direction? Yes, you know. Now, I'll tell you how you know. Okay. So, if I tell you to show me your right hand, can you show? Yes. Can you show me your right hand? Yes, with which you write? Yes, very good. Show it to me. Yes. So, some of you are showing the wrong hand. Right hand, we eat our food. Okay. So, you know that. And now, can you show me your left hand? Yes. So, right and left are the words that show what? Direction. Okay. And there are some more words. Let's see what are they, and then we are going to start our chapter. Okay, children. So, you look here. We already know this. Do you remember this vocabulary? Yes. Do you all remember this vocabulary? Now, what are this vocabulary? We have done it in maths and in English also we have done. Okay. One box is there, one ball is there, and one teddy bear is there. Okay. So, this ball is in between the two things. So, this ball is in between. So, the word between. Okay. Now, next. Box is there and the ball is just next. So, the word next to is also one word. Okay. Now, one we have already studied. So, this blackboard is behind me. Behind means in the back side of me, this blackboard is there. In the same way, who is this? The frog is behind the sofa. Okay, now next picture. This little mouse is in front of the box. Little mouse is in front of the box. It's standing in front. Like I am standing in front of the blackboard. Okay, so these are the vocabulary which you already know. Okay, now there are some more words. Now this is left. If you want to go to left, I have told you to show me your left hand. This is your left hand. Okay, now I am telling you to show your right hand. Right? This is your right hand. So if I tell you to go left, you will go in the left direction. If I tell you to go right, you will go in the right direction. Okay, so these are some of the words which show the directions. Now what are these directions? Let's see. Okay, let's start. For that you take out your book, page number 194. Take out your semester book, open page number 194. Okay? Let's start. And there are some more directions. Like when we go for driving, they say, na, you see a sign. They say turn right. Turn right means you have to take a right turn. Okay. Turn left. Then it means you have to take a left turn. Then turn around. Okay. Ghoom ke jana hai. Turn around. Okay. Go ahead means go straight. Next is go ahead, straight ahead. Okay. Like this. Now next is I want to know which is your left hand, which is my right hand. Now can you tell which is the right hand and which is the left hand? Yes, we can easily tell. If you also do like this, this is my right hand and this is my left hand. You are looking at me like this. Okay, it is like this. Now it is like this. Okay, so you also show me your right hand and left hand. So this is your which hand? Your which hand? Right hand. Okay, you are sitting like this in front of the mobile. So this is your right hand and this will be your left hand. Okay children, because I am standing opposite, so this is my right hand and this is my left hand. Okay children, that will be a difference. Okay, now everybody take out your semester book, open page number 194 and we'll start with our lesson. Okay, so the chapter is lesson number 8, directions. I want everybody to put today's date in this page. Okay, on the top put today's date and put CW. Every one of you. Yes, so let's start. In the warm-up box it's written, have you ever seen a sunrise? The sun always rises in the east and sets in the west direction. Now they are saying that, have you ever seen a sunrise? Did you see the sun rising? All of you have seen? Yes. So it's good. If you are saying no, so tomorrow get up a little bit early and go on your terrace or at your balconies and you can see, okay, from where the sun is rising. So they are saying from where the sun rises, it is the east direction. Okay, and where the sun sets, doobta hai sun jahan, where it sets, goes down, it is the west direction. So let's read and let's see what are east and west. Okay, what are the directions? Now next is left, right, up and down are the words that show directions. Directions help us to find the location of a particular place or a thing. If I say to you, if you're asking my house direction, okay, if I tell you to go straight or to turn right, can you all do? Yes. If you are telling me I'm standing at Baby Ball, ma'am, I want to come to your house, can you tell me your directions? So I'll say okay. So if I tell you to go straight on this road and then to take a right turn or to take a left turn, can you do? Yes, you can do. Why? Because you know the direction. Okay, you know about right and left turn. Okay, and then you can find a particular place or a thing. Wherever you want to reach, you can reach over there. So they are saying left, right, up and down are the words that show direction. These words show the direction, and direction help us to find a location of a particular place or a thing. Direction help us to find the location of a particular place or a thing. Now north, south, east and west are the four main directions. What are the four main directions? North, south, east and west are the four main directions. They are also called as cardinal directions. Now these are the four directions. They are north, south, east and west, and they are called as cardinal directions. Yes children, so they are saying the four main cardinal directions are north, south, east and west. These are the four main cardinal directions. Okay children, they are given in their book. Now, how to find a direction? For that we will do one activity. Okay, so first read and after that I will tell you. Now, second thing is, a compass is an instrument that is used for finding directions. Now, they are saying for finding out direction, there is an instrument and it is called as compass. What it is called? Compass. This is not your compass box, okay? This is compass and it is an instrument to find out directions. Now, this is how the direction you can see anywhere marked. This is east, west, north and south. And you should know that these directions are opposite to each other. Opposite means just ulta. Okay, opposite words you know na? Like big, small. Okay, tall, short. In the same way, if I say which direction is opposite to east, you'll say west. Which direction is opposite to north, you'll say south. Okay, like this, they are the opposite directions. Okay, now this is a compass. This is the picture of a compass. What it is? It is an instrument. Instrument hai, okay, and it is used for finding directions. It is used for finding out the directions. Okay, children, so let's read. A compass is an instrument that is used for finding directions. A compass needle always point towards north direction. Now they are saying a compass needle. Needle, it has two needles. Needles, this is not the same needle and thread which your mama stitches. This is not the needle. This is called the needle. Okay, like in the clock also we have two needles. In the same way, in the compass also we are having two needles. And they are saying the compass needle always points towards north direction. When you take a compass in your hand, when you keep it straight, the compass needle will always point towards north direction. It will show north direction wherever you keep the compass straight in your hand. Okay, wherever it is kept, it will show the north direction. See, it is marked also north direction, and this is south, east, and this is west. Opposite you will see. Okay, now a compass needle always points towards the north direction. South direction is opposite side to the north direction. Now they are saying south direction is opposite to the north direction. Okay, I have already shown you. Next is on the right hand side lies the east direction. Now they are saying on the right hand side. Which is your right side? Which is your right side? Yes, you will be showing this one. So my right side is this one. So the right side will always show the east direction. Which direction it will show? East direction. Okay? And the west lies on the left hand side. And they are saying the west direction will lie on the left hand side. Let's see if they are saying correctly or not. Yes. Now you can see this is the compass. They are saying south is opposite to north. Yes. You can see south is just opposite to north. Okay. And on your right hand side, see. Show me your right side. Right and left. Show me your hands. Yes. Now towards your right hand side. This is your right side. Right side is east direction. Okay. And your left side. This is my left side. Left side is west direction. You have to remember that. Now I am standing like this. Okay. So I am opposite to you. Okay. That's why I have to turn like this to show to you. Okay. Now don't think that ma'am is telling you wrong. My right hand side is this now. So if I'll make a diagram over there, my east side will come over here and west side will come over here. Okay. But you are sitting like this. So your east is this side and west is this side. Okay. And both are opposite to each other. Now what it is written over here? Next. Come to the next page. Yes. With the help of a compass, we can find direction. It is very useful in places such as forest, mountain, or in the middle of the sea. Now this compass is very, very useful. Why? Why it is useful? Okay, when we are going on a road, we see the direction boards. Okay, board is there everywhere. You can see the board is there, or direction you can see on the top. But when you are in the middle of the sea, can you see a board in the middle of the sea? Or when you are flying in an aeroplane, can you see a board of the direction? No, you cannot see. Okay, so there, this compass is very useful. Why? Because there is no direction board. If you have to find direction, with this compass, you can easily find the direction, which is east, which is west, north or south. Okay, children? So this is very useful in places where the direction is not mentioned, like in the middle of the sea, or in the desert, or on the mountain, top of the mountain. Okay, so till here we have completed. So let's revise what we have studied today. A compass needle always points towards the north direction. Remember this? A compass needle always points towards north direction. South is opposite to the north. South is opposite to the north. Right hand points towards east, which means right side is east direction, and left side, left hand points west direction. Okay, now this was the compass. And what are the four cardinal directions that we have studied today? East, west, north and south. What are the four main cardinal directions? They are east, west, north and south. Okay children? Till here you have to read today 2 times to understand. Okay children, and in the next period we'll do further. Okay, have a good day.